Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ankita and if you're new here then welcome. Today I was cleaning my refrigerator and I thought why not to share with you people a refrigerator deep cleaning sort of a video. Now, before starting this video, I'd like to tell you people that I don't admire doing a lot of organizers, like multiple organizers. So I don't have a jar for milk and stuff like that. But still, this is like an attainable version of refrigerator organizational sort of a video. If you people like it, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. So first and foremost, as I always say for each and every cleaning video of mine, I always appreciate us starting the entire process by emptying up the space. While cleaning your refrigerator, once you'll empty up the entire refrigerator, you need to make sure that you throw away any of the food that is there for more than have been there for more than 4 to 5 days, and you get an opportunity of analyzing your entire stock, whether it is vegetables, your fruits, and all that good jazz stuff. It is the best time to evaluate what is expiry dated, what you need, and what you actually do not need. Then for cleaning my refrigerator, I don't admire using any sort of colin and all stuff like that. What I normally do is I'll prepare a mixture of 2 parts of water and 1 part of apple cider vinegar and just 2 to 3 drops of dishwashing liquid, and I'll just simply go ahead and spray it all over my fridge. It just takes away all of the smell. Now I know you people must be thinking that the light of my fridge is on. Normally I don't do it, but for the shooting of the video I had to leave the light open. So here I have just sprayed my entire refrigerator with the solution that I did made, and I'm just wiping it all off, and this solution just very easily makes sure that all the dirt and grime comes out. Now when it comes up to Indian refrigerators, normally we have stains of oils with the help of leftover food, then we have stains of milk or cream or curd and stuff like that. So all of these stains are not capable of being removed just by the help of dusters. So I'll just make sure that all the parts of the fridge are refrigerator are all the removable parts actually are washed completely. And for washing these parts I would normally use the dishwashing liquid that I have, which is Vim, and I would normally just use a very worn and toned out sort of a scrubber because it doesn't leave stains. So an oil scrubber that has been used for more than 10 days is something that I'll be looking for when I have to clean up the fridge parts, so that it doesn't leaves any sort of scratches. So if you want to consider that as a tip, you can simply consider that as a tip as well. Now, after cleaning the fridge from inside and cleaning all of the parts of the fridge comes the organizational part. Now, for organization, I simply don't admire going crazy, but just a few bits of things can actually ease up your life as well. Like I personally loved this vegetable baskets, and they just latch onto the fridge of yours, your refrigerator. You can store small little things like I have stored over here, or you can go ahead and make a selection of your own and store it inside your refrigerator. This was even an organizer that I admired a lot. It is divided into 2 parts. Like one is a huge cabinet, and then in that cabinet you can store three different baskets. So you can store these three baskets inside the cabinet, or you can use the cabinet separately, that which I am going to do. So in one basket I have kept my tomatoes. In the other basket, while if you people follow me regularly, you people must know that I admire doing meal planning sessions. So I would normally chop off the vegetables that I can chop off, and I'd use these containers for for storing my chopped off vegetables. And these will straight away go into the vegetable container. these containers, and in the giant container that is supposed to store these smaller containers, I'm going to go ahead and store the fruit section of mine. So there I have all of the fruits sorted in the giant container that came along with it, and it has a lid so you can very easily go ahead and cover it up as well. Whenever I'll need any fruit, I'll simply go ahead and take out the entire container. And see, I've organized these small baskets in the vegetable rack, and it's really very easy and convenient to grab when I have to. And right now I am going ahead and reorganizing my fridge, so attaching the parts and arranging the fridge all at the same time. Now, as I've mentioned earlier, like I'm just trying to share with you people how I admire cleaning my refrigerator. This doesn't has a lot of tips and tricks into it, but it's generic video that how I normally do the process, and it's just that only. And if it inspires you, do go ahead and start cleaning your fridge while you have this video going in the background. So over here I have stored the milk in the second compartment. This compartment has the most cooling capacity of the fridge, so I admire keeping my dairy products over here so as to make sure that even if there is no light for a while, your milk doesn't get spoiled. Now I am just going ahead and rearranging the door section of the fridge. I have a double door fridge, but I did wanted to do this video as a small refrigerator cleaning and organizational sort of a video. So I have just utilized the bottom portion of my refrigerator over here. So the egg tray is usually used for tomato storage, because we personally don't we are vegetarians, we don't eat egg or non-veg, so you won't find anything that is non-veg related in our fridge. So over here I have finished the entire cleaning and organization of my fridge, and you can see it's just so very convenient, and it looks like a day-to-day sort of a refrigerator. Hopefully you people might have found this video productive. If you people did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. And with that being said, I'll take it all sleeve, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.